I got a little roadside stop, little monument here. Let's go over see what it says. One of our guides is setting up his tripod here. I gotta screw my hat on here in a little bit. Let's see what this says. Welcome to Memorial Square at Rias Pass. I can stop the vid if you'd like to read that then. And this is the Theodore Roosevelt Memorial Monument. How about that? There you go. 1931. 7-inch thick granite slabs. Stop the vid. You want to read that? Okay. And here we have the John F. Stevens Memorial Statue. Right here. There he is. John F. Stevens. Don't know the guy. Don't know the guy. Civil engineer for the Great Northern Railroad. Finding a suitable route across the Continental Divide. Boy, that must have been a tough job. How they did that in those days, I don't know. But they come up here, and you see him. He's got a little thing in his hand. Maybe that's a measuring thing. You know, you pull the tape measure out or something. He's got his warm jacket on there, but there he is. And there's our monument there. And we got another rock over here. I'm going to take a look at this before the crowds show up here. Got a couple of different things. Let's see what this is here. Oh, William H. Slippery Bill Morrison Memorial. Slippery Bill, Mountain Man, Squatters' Rights, Rias Pass. Stop the vid if you want to read that. And this is a little hard to read here because it's kind of worn here a little bit. I don't know. Tablet is erected in honor of William Morrison, old-time trapper and prospector who donated his rights to this land, his home for many years, that it might be used as a site for a memorial to Theodore Roosevelt. A Rough Rider there. So you got a big rock here with some lichens and different things growing on it here. And let's come over here. Oh, kind of clear today. The Lewis Overthrust Fault at Rias Pass. Looking at that, might be up there somewhere. I don't know. It is or it isn't there. And here we got the big obelisk here. We got, it says the Flathead National Forest Memorial to Theodore Roosevelt, popular guy in this area here. Leadership and conservation of the forests of the United States, that's for sure. And there's a little quote from him here. So we'll take some look at these big granite slabs here. Big ones here. Look at that mortar. It's actually separated a little bit over the years here, but still held in place. A couple little cracks here. I guess some water that got in there and froze. A number of cracks up there, but still looking pretty good shape though. I don't think it's going to fall down on us. And we're here over the highway. Windy out today, so it might be hard to hear me here on the video with the wind. I don't have the pouch on here. Stupid as I am, I keep forgetting it. Okay, now I have the spongy thing on here. So let's see if you don't hear the wind on it here. If it sounds any better, any different. This is what the spongy cover on that I bought. Out here in the wind. Does it sound any different? I don't know. If I hold it far away from me, it may be the same thing. There's the highway there. But yeah, we'll see how this works. I finally got it on there. It doesn't fit too bad. So but it's a sponge thing that goes all the way around it here. And we got all the scopes here. We're scoping things out here. Scoping things out with the scopes. What are we seeing through the scopes here? I don't know if you can see anything in there. I don't think so. I don't think you can see anything in there. No, I don't think
Probably
so.
one of the coolest things.
It's hard to get it here with that. Okay. A train going by in the distance. And we got a stewardship area here, Great Northern. And there's that train. This one's going pretty slow over there. It's going slow, not very fast. The rest of our group is here. Got the scopes out, like I said, checking them out here. Everybody's taking a look around here. They're going to look through the scope, see what they can find. There's our guide here. It's giving us a little instructions and everything here. So there he is.
Yeah, I mean,
all
think
set
about
for
like
the
here in
wind.
Canada, you got the road we came over.
Yeah. Okay. Here's our other guide in blue with the hat on.